Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and today we're going to be talking about the Bering Chuck jacket. Okay, so here we have the Bering Chuck jacket, a pretty plain, simple jacket with a few hidden surprises, beautifully made. So let's talk about some of these features. So as you can see, it's a blue jacket. The trade's all about black normally. We've chosen a blue colourway on this one. We've got brass fixings as well, so you've got absolutely beautiful antique brass to give you that sort of warm sort of look in terms of the brass area with this beautiful clean blue colourway. So let's talk about some of the materials used in the product. It's a Serica jacket. If you don't know what Serica is, it feels like cotton, but it's still an abrasion resistant material, so it's still going to give you that sea approval abrasion resistance in terms of burst strength, tear strength, all the stuff you'd expect from a French Bering product. So that's Serica throughout the whole product. Coming down the front, as you can see, you've got this neck closure on the top, which is fully adjustable, 5 different position adjusters. You've got the brass to match the zip, so it's just a nice little feature, a bit of detailing. But if I undo that, some people may think that's difficult to do with a gloved hand. If you don't want to use it, you can just whip it out and it's completely removable across the top. That's the same on the whole Bering range that have that neck closure. You can always remove the neck piece. Put that down there for a minute. So you've got a nice high collar across here to stop the rain coming in. It's a waterproof product, BWTech 100 plus membrane in it. So it's a standard Bering membrane with a laminated whippable line on top of it. I'll show you that once we get inside the jacket. YKK zip puller running down the front, all the way down to the bottom. Metal zip puller, so it's nice high quality componentry. 2 breast pockets on the front here for storage and 2 hand warm pockets down the bottom as well. Sticking to the outside, if I spin it around to the side, you've got the epaulets, nice detailing again, the brass matching the brass. Adjustable elbow arm, 2 positions, so you can get it exactly where you need it. And then you've got the shoulder protectors in there as well. Opening up here, again, brass finishings to match. 3 different positions are on the cuff, and then you've got the brass cuff zip to adjust it and keep it exactly where you need it to be. So all those bits matching, lovely detailing throughout the product. You can see someone's thought about it and really gone into the details to make sure it matches throughout. Pocket on the arm as well, bit of extra storage for a pass or a credit card, so you need quick access to on the arm there. Spinning around, you've got the ADS system running down the back, so just open that zipper up there. You'll see you've got the mesh panel built in behind here, so the air can come out of the product, remove the moisture from the membrane area. Reflective part on the back, other than that, completely plain Serica material running fully down the back. Spinning it back round to the front of the product, so you can see I when I opened it earlier, you've got the smock running down there, which is a windproof area behind the zip. It's folded over, so any water that does get through the zip can hit that, run down and run off, so completely waterproof, fully tested to be 100% waterproof and windproof. If you open it up there, it does have a small secret inside, which makes this jacket particularly unique. If I undo the secondary brass zipper on the inside here, you'll see there's a mesh panel that can fold out across the front. If you undo that mesh panel, zip it to the other zip, you've got a full mesh panel down the front, so if it is hot, if you go out in the morning, you've got it all zipped up, waterproof. As it gets warmer throughout the day, you can fold the mesh panel over. It's going to have direct airflow into the jacket and give you a nice cool feeling, so you can wear this product all year round. Perfect for the commuters, guys that roam around the city in those sort of hot, low wind areas. You're going to get some airflow through the product, keep you nice and cool. Opening up on the inside, beautiful red lining, thermally backed, coarse thermal alloy lining built into this product, so it's nice warm lining, fully removable of course for the summer. So you can open that up, you've got your BWTech membrane, again nice little feature. You've got the Serica pocket here with the same blue material as you've got on the outside, matching up perfectly. Little details that some people don't think matter. We know that when you're buying a product, it's the details that matter on that product. As you can see, these small snaps here, so that means you can snap this storm flat back, so that when you're using the mesh panel, you've got direct airflow into the product as well. So again, small details making it work for you. Open up this side, there's your secondary, so your primary zip, there's your secondary zip with the mesh panel. Blue pocket to match the exterior of the product as well. So that's the Bering Chuck jacket, a beautiful product, great price point, fully CE approved, 3 years extended warranty on bikerheadz.co.uk. If you need any more information about this product or any of the Bering range, please go to bikerheadz.co.uk.